Here with us now, Rich Schoenstein, a New York-based trial attorney and legal analyst. Rich, good morning. Welcome back.
Good morning, Hena. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. From your legal perspective, what do we know this morning that we didn't know 24 hours ago at this time yesterday?
Well, I didn't stay up all night going through these documents, but from what I read, we don't know anything substantively different than we already knew. We see some people and photos, many of which we already knew were in Epstein's orbit, so that's not really new information. None of it is directly inculpatory. We don't have any proof, hard proof of criminal activity by anybody, so I haven't heard that we know anything substantively different this morning.
The Justice Department redacted the names and/or identifiers of Epstein's victims, but it's also reported that those same standards were applied to, quote, politically exposed individuals and government officials. Rich, explain to me what that means. Could that open up the DOJ to legal action, at least on that front?
Yeah, I don't know exactly what that means. That's part of the problem. It does seem that this document production is over-redacted and under-delivered, meaning that the redactions are in excess of what was supposed to be there. There were only supposed to be redactions to protect victims and for ongoing investigations, and this redactions look broader than that. And of course, you have the problem of they haven't complied with the law by releasing all of the files. They only released some of the files, saying that they're going to release more on a rolling basis. So that technically is a violation of the recently passed law.
I want to ask a little bit more about that because Congress had set a deadline for December 19th for the full release of the Epstein file. Obviously, that didn't happen. What legal recourse is there when the Department of Justice refuses to abide by a deadline that was mandated by Congress?
Yeah, well, they blew the deadline, so you can take the Department of Justice to Congress, look to hold them in contempt of Congress, or you can take them to court and look to get a court order requiring them to produce the rest of the documents. Practically, I don't know how effective that's going to be. You know, there are lots of situations in court where a party isn't producing documents as fast as they're supposed to, and generally the solution is to compel them to produce them. But if DOJ is going to produce the rest of the files anyway, I'm not sure what more you would accomplish in court, except that you may get a little more visibility on these redactions, which seem pretty rampant.
Yeah, I think you said it right. Over-redacted, under-delivered. Rich Schoenstein, always great to see you. Thank you. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays to you.